Good morning, everyone. Andy Tuttle here with the Tuttle Group at Fairway, here with your weekly DFW mortgage market update. Hope you got your coffee. I have mine, and wanted to just share with you a few things about what happened this week and what you can expect while you're out there this summer. I know you're working hard to get offers on homes and looking and being competitive and trying to get everything worked out so you can move in before the new school year for a lot of you. So a couple of things that came out on the report this last week, just kind of wanted to share with you. The housing report was very strong. In fact, it's the third best forecast in the last 10 years. New home sales, those prices are up. We've got tight inventory. Now, it improved a little bit, 1.5% year over year or month over month, but still inventory levels are very, very tight, which justifies the price increase and justifies your investment in the home. So I want to show you quickly the home sales report and then kind of go over some of the numbers and what this means to you out there and why the fight is worth it. So if you look at the new home sales numbers here, you can kind of see kind of the mortgage rate as it goes with that, but then the sales of new homes and how that's continued to increase. The pace is strong. You can see steady increase over the last few years, and again, the third best number on record. And if you look at what that means for you, I did some basic numbers here. Now in Texas, at Dallas-Fort Worth, the numbers came out 8% appreciation year over year. Historically, if you take in several decades of numbers, the average historical rate is 3.4% of appreciation. I used a 6% appreciation on a $250,000 purchase, roughly $3,500 in closing costs, and let's say you put 10% down. Just reviewing that for 5 years. You putting that money in, appreciation at the conservative level I used, 11,500 in appreciation that first year, or 5,000 on the historic level, and you can see the cumulative appreciation over 5 years going to $81,000. If you look at that, what that is on a return on investment, that's 20 to 46% the first year, and after 5 years, a return on investment of 170 to 324%. You just can't get that anywhere in the market because you're getting the appreciation on the whole house, not just your 10% that you're actually putting down. That's the power of buying a property, and I want you to see that because the fight is hard out there, but it's worth it. Now let's take a look at the charts. If you see this, a price chart, remember, the higher the price, the lower the rates. We've been in a volatile market, a roller coaster ride for sure, but trending up in price, which is lower rates. And something to look at here is this big trading range we're in right now, with this overhead resistance here and a lot of support below us. Most important support is this blue line that we've talked about the last few weeks, the 200-day moving average. We have closed above it every day the last few days. That is good news for you going into next week with some of the economic data coming out and some of the other reports that we are in position while you're out there to hopefully see a rally. We've got a good amount of white space above us here to potentially see better price and lower rates short term. So this could be a good weekend for you to get that offer accepted. Remember, while you're out there, we're here for you. We're just a phone call away. If you're using our link and you're already in process with us, you've got the Flowify link. You can get your access, your pre-approval from there, you and your realtor. But if you need us, call us. We're here to help you with those pre-approvals. Call the listing agent on those offers and make sure you have the most competitive offer right now in this market. So thanks so much for your trust. I look forward to doing business with you, and happy hunting.